In 1775, a conflict began that would change the course of history, the American Revolution. 13 colonies, ruled by the mighty British Empire, took a bold stand for independence. But how did these colonies, with limited resources, defeat one of the world's greatest superpowers? Let's find out. The seeds of rebellion were planted long before the war. After the costly French and Indian War, Britain imposed heavy taxes on the colonies, like the Stamp Act and the Tea Act, to recover its debt. But the colonists had no representation in British Parliament. Their rallying cry became, "No taxation without representation." Tensions boiled over in 1773 with the Boston Tea Party, where colonists dumped British tea into the harbor to protest taxation. Britain responded with the Intolerable Acts, further restricting the colonies' freedoms. This only united the colonists, leading to the formation of the First Continental Congress in 1774. In April 1775, the first shots of the Revolution were fired at Lexington and Concord. The colonies quickly organized militias, and leaders like George Washington emerged. Washington was appointed commander of the Continental Army, an inexperienced but determined force. A pivotal moment came in 1776, when the colonies declared independence. Thomas Jefferson's Declaration of Independence boldly outlined their grievances and aspirations for freedom, marking the birth of a new nation. But the fight was far from over. The British, with their well-trained army and navy, seemed unbeatable. However, the colonists had advantages. They knew the land, fought for their homes, and had strong alliances. France's entry into the war in 1778 provided critical support, with troops, supplies, and naval power. The turning point came at the Battle of Saratoga in 1777, convincing France to join the cause. Then in 1781, the American and French forces secured a decisive victory at Yorktown, where British General Cornwallis surrendered. After 8 long years, the Treaty of Paris in 1783 officially recognized the United States as an independent nation. The American Revolution was more than a military victory, it was a triumph of ideas. It inspired movements for freedom and democracy around the world, proving that even a group of small colonies could challenge a superpower and win. The fight for liberty continues to echo through history. What lessons do you think we can learn from this incredible struggle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from history.